I'm excited.
But it does not seem like you're excited. I told you.
Congratulations.
Thanks. However, it's scripted.
भाई इतना सच नहीं बोलना था.
But yeah, this is the truth. She knows already that I've.
Hello everyone, welcome on my sister channel. You would have seen me in her previous video. So today I am going to ask her about interview. Recently she gave an interview and let's see. Hello.
Hello.
How was your interview and did you crack it or not? Did you crack your interview or not? Tell me.
Well, for this, you need to watch the video till the end, whether I cracked the interview or not. I'll share at the end of the video.
Oh, I'm so excited to know. So, were you not TCS? Generally, people are scared for giving interview.
No, I was not. Well, honestly speaking, I was little bit nervous because in my entire life, for the first time, I gave an interview. However, I was fully prepared.
Can you share some secrets? What should be people's mindset before giving an interview?
All right, sure. I would love to share this. Well, we must have winning mindset. What I learned, by giving an interview. Before giving, you should not be thinking about the result and a lot of things. How will it go? Or how am I going to do? No, it's better to focus on your questions. Like prepare common questions which are asked in your interview and be on time. Don't prepare till last time and at the end you'll be like, oh, what should I do now? No, be prepared and go for it, and at the same time just groom yourself properly. It's not like you just got up and without making your hair and proper formal clothes you're not wearing. You can keep in mind these things and go for common questions. One more thing I would like to add here. What happens generally, people think I have to be robotic, I have to answer perfectly. There's nothing known as perfect. Just keep in mind I am giving it for an experience, and of course I have gone through questions. So be confident whatever you have prepared. They do like a robot, but I was very authentic. Literally, people generally say don't use your hand gesture. I was using frequently because it's my habit and I could not control, and I did it. When you are what I learned, when you are very genuine, when you are very serious for an interview, and when you are a serious employee, definitely people hire you when you are very genuine. Absolutely.
Do you believe it's important to believe in ourselves?
Absolutely, we must believe in ourselves before going for anything, not only interview. If you are not feeling your intuition and your guts are not saying you will be able to crack, then you will not be able to crack. If you have a faith ki why can't I get selected, then you get selected. But we must be prepared for the result as well. It's not like once you tried and you did not get selected and you started crying. Not at all. Be prepared for the result as well. It doesn't matter. One interview can't judge me, and I will try my best next time, and that's how I am going to fail and I'm going to retry. One day I'll be selected. So you should have winning mindset, and of course you should be prepared for the result.
Me, did you crack it or not? I'm so excited to hear.
Oh really?
Yes.
But it does not seem like you're excited.
I am excited.
But it does not seem like you're excited. Anyway, well, are you ready for the answer?
Yes. Of course.
And what about you guys? Well, I gave an interview and guess what? I got selected because I told you.
Congratulations.
Thanks. However, it's scripted.
भाई इतना सच नहीं बोलना था.
But yeah, this is the truth. She knows already that I have cracked interview and I got selected. And yes, these are the things I wanted to share with all of you, and I wanted to make it a little funny. So I shot with my sister, and literally my experience was great. And now I believe that whenever I would give interview, I will get selected. You know what? Why? Because I am genuine. I do not pretend for anything. I was very genuine. whatever the way I teach, I just shared. And I think when you do not lie and when you are genuine with your work, then people, waiting for you to hire. Seriously. So go for it. Confidently. So tell me, Nikki, did you learn something new from this video?
Yes,
What
I
did you-
learned we should prepare common question before
Very
giving
good.
interview, or
Must have right mindset, like
yes,
winning mindset.
winning,
Winning mindset.
winning.
We must have winning attitude, yes, and we must be prepared for the common questions, and most important, we must believe in ourselves. If we do not believe, nobody will. If you believe, everybody will believe around you. So before going for anything, have faith in yourself. Go for it. So are you done with your question, Nikki?
Yes, I've asked almost all the questions. So
All
Bye.
right, now I'm going for taking my sessions. Bye.
although while shooting the video, I was feeling like I am giving the interview. So did you like the video or not? Tell me in the comment section, and like, subscribe and share. Bye. See you in the next video.